To enable voice directions on Apple CarPlay, you need three basic requirements: an iPhone running iOS 12 or later, with iOS 16 or newer recommended for the best experience, a CarPlay-compatible vehicle or aftermarket head unit, and either a lightning cable for wired connection or wireless CarPlay capability. Step 1 is enabling CarPlay on your iPhone. Navigate to Settings, then General, then CarPlay, and select your car from the available devices. You can customize which apps appear on your CarPlay interface by managing the include list. Step 2 involves configuring Siri for hands-free operation. Go to Settings, then Siri and search. Make sure to enable Listen for Hey Siri and allow Siri when locked. These settings ensure you can use voice commands while driving without touching your phone. Step 3 is adjusting the navigation voice volume. In Settings, go to Maps, then Driving and Navigation. Set the navigation voice volume to loud for noisy environments or normal for regular driving. Avoid the no voice setting, as this will disable spoken directions entirely. Step 4 requires enabling location services. Navigate to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Make sure location access is enabled for the Maps app and any third-party navigation apps you plan to use. Set the permission to while using app or always for proper functionality. Now you're ready to use voice directions. Connect your iPhone to CarPlay, open Apple Maps on the CarPlay display, and either say, "Hey Siri, navigate to your destination," or enter it manually and tap Go. Voice directions will start automatically and play through your car's audio system. Once configured, your CarPlay interface will provide comprehensive voice navigation, including turn-by-turn guidance, lane guidance announcements, traffic alerts with automatic rerouting, and completely hands-free operation for safer driving. When CarPlay voice directions aren't working properly, there are several common issues and solutions to try. The most frequent problem is no voice directions at all. First, check your iPhone's volume settings and ensure the mute switch isn't activated. If the volume is correct, ensure your car's audio source is set to CarPlay or USB mode, not Bluetooth or radio. When these basic checks don't work, restart both your iPhone and your car's infotainment system. This resolves most connection issues. Audio quality problems are another common issue. Poor sound quality or distorted voice directions usually indicate software compatibility problems. To reset your CarPlay connection, go to iPhone Settings, then General, then CarPlay, and select Forget this car. Beyond fixing problems, there are several ways to optimize your CarPlay voice directions for the best possible experience. Keep all your software current. This includes iOS updates, CarPlay app updates, and your car's infotainment system software. Ensure you have a strong cellular signal for real-time traffic updates. Voice directions work best when they can access current traffic information. Train Siri to recognize your voice better. Set up Hey Siri if you haven't already, as this improves command recognition accuracy significantly. Customize your voice direction settings based on your driving experience. Adjust the frequency and detail level to match your preferences. Finally, create custom Siri shortcuts for frequently visited destinations. This makes navigation faster and more convenient for your regular trips. Following these troubleshooting steps and optimization tips will ensure your CarPlay voice directions work reliably and provide the best possible navigation experience.